Hello, welcome to my daily earnings. Today I'm going to be talking about how my earning is going so far for this year 2021. We are on 31st December, the last day of, you can see for yourself, 31st December 2021. So this is the last day of 2021 and it's the last day of the month of December. Yes, December 31st, last day. And for this month, in fact, I'm very much happy. I reached $1,000 after being on limits. Can you imagine? I was on limits for up to more than a week and I still reached $1,000. Last month I reached $1,070 and this month I also earned up to $1,000. Very much happy. You understand? Someone on YouTube was kind of saying that something the person on YouTube was saying that I'm talking about earning $5,000 for a lifetime of my stay in this Admob. That he wants to be earning $5,000 a month. Well, if you come to my YouTube, you will see. Let's go to my comment section. Let's go to my comment section. Okay, yeah, this is the comment. Good bro, but it's very small. Need make 5,000 in the month. Yeah, this is the comment. Someone commented on my video. Well, what actually you have to understand is that as for me, I'm very much grateful. You understand? Some people don't even earn $1 from Admob. $1. Some people find it very hard. I knew when it was it was very difficult for me to earn $1 when I was on limits. I will make 0.0 for a week safe. I will not make anything. So someone that is talking like this does not know what it takes to make $1 from Admob. It's very hard. So for me to earn like this, I'm very grateful. You understand? You see my reply. As time goes on, I will still make up to that amount a month. And I believe for me to earn 1,000 in 1 month, as time goes on, if I keep on developing more applications, I will still reach up to $5,000 every month. I'm not limiting myself to $1,000 every month. I'm not limiting myself. But what you have to know is that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. And I believe everybody will, and all my subscribers and my viewers watching my videos, we know that I have taken the step. You understand? I'll make the step that is needed for me to make more in this Admob. So it's not easy to reach this level. I know what I have suffered so far in learning how to develop apps, sleepless nights I spent studying programming, having a lot of headaches, debugging my codes and everything. To reach this level wasn't easy for me. But I'm not limiting myself. I know that 2022 I will improve more than this. Maybe before the end of 2022, I might be reaching 3,000. Before I said I will make 22,000 before the ending of 2022. But let me increase it to 3,000. Let me say the goal. Well, my goal this year was to reach 1,000 every month, and I believe I've reached it. My target in 2022 is before the end of 2022, I'll be reaching 3,000 every month before the end of 2022. What I have to pray is that let Admob not block my account. Let my account not be on ad limits. You understand? That's what I'm now praying for. Because as long as God being on my side, if I put in more effort, employ more people, because what I found out that for me to reach that goal now, I need to employ more developers to develop more things. Only me now cannot do it now. I need to employ more developers, acquire more users, promote my applications, so that I can be able to reach the goal of 3,000 before the ending of 2022. So my viewers, you can see for yourself how much I made this today. I'm now averaging $40 every day. Today is just 5 p.m. Yeah, 5 p.m. and I've already made $36. So which means before the end of this day, before the end of today, I will reach 40. Not to make not to reach 40 before the end of today. So I'm very much happy. I'm very much grateful. You understand the opportunities I'm getting from Admob. I also want to enter into other business, investments, and the rest, because I don't want to depend on only on Admob, because Admob might fail me tomorrow, because I know those people. They can fail you. They are not trustworthy. They can fail you. So any money I'm making now, I should think of investing it effectively. You understand? So my viewers, you can see for yourself how much my earning is going, how I'm earning from Admob. You understand? I'm very much happy for me to earn like this, because I know some people don't earn like this. Someone was asking me they have been on ad limits for some time, what are they going to do? Like me, I was on ad limits and it was removed immediately. The reason why it was removed is because I have quality traffic. See, my app is getting only ad requests. You can see the question, the comments. My app is getting ad requests, no impression on how to solve this issue. So you need to drive more traffic to your app. So I believe the only solution, if you're having ad limits, the only solution is to drive more traffic to your app, because when they see you have quality traffic, these things are programmed. It's not even a human being that places you on ad limit. It's their system, the algorithm, their computer that places you on ad limits, and it's also the system, the algorithm, that will also remove that ad limits. Not even a human being. It's the system that will look at your apps and see if they are getting quality traffic. If they are getting quality traffic, they will remove the ad limits. But if they are not getting quality traffic, you will still be on ad limits forever. That's one thing about Admob. If you open a new account now, they will place you on ad limits to monitor your traffic. You understand? Even me, when they place me on ad limits, I send them a message to my email. So they replied me. So when they replied me, what they say is that I should wait, that they are monitoring my traffic. Let us look at the email they sent to me. My viewers, you can see when I sent Google Admob email about the ad limits they placed on my account. You understand? So they replied me with, Google is constantly investing in measures to protect and improve the experience for advertiser, publishers, users, AdSense, Admob. So as you have been unable to verify the quality of your traffic, your ad serving is currently being limited. Your site or app is experiencing less demand from Google, while we continue to evaluate your account compliance and traffic quality. You understand? So you can see that time I was placed on ad limits, they were trying to monitor my traffic. You understand? Because my earnings were increasing. So since my earnings were increasing, they will become suspicious. That's one thing about Admob or AdSense. Whenever they notice your earnings increasing, they will say, man, what is happening? Are you sure this person is not doing invalid clicks? They will just place you on ad limits to monitor and see if people will still use your apps, because they know that when you are placed on ad limits, you will no longer be using those apps to be clicking again, and they will now say, oh, you see, you are the one clicking on the apps. But when they place you on ad limits, and they will still see that people are still using your apps, and you are still getting more installs, you are still getting more downloads, you are still getting more ad requests. Because whenever someone use your app, the person will be sending ad requests to the database. So when they see you are getting ad requests, but they will not serve that ad request too, but they will see you are getting it every time. They will say, okay, you have a quality traffic. So that's what is involved in this Admob. So if you're on Alimis, make sure that you have quality traffics and quality installs that will help Google to remove your Alimis. So thank you for watching my today video. You understand? I wish everyone a prosperous new year. We are last day of 2021, so by tomorrow we'll be entering 2022. So I wish everybody the best. So for you to become successful like me, you need to have apps that people are using daily, people in US are using. You understand? Very important. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be giving you updates on how my earnings are going and how to be earning like this and what to do and what not to do. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe, like and subscribe, share to your friends too. Bye.